Give me a minute, guys. It's taking forever. Oh no, I ripped it. Fuck. Need a new one anyways. You got an hour? 30 frames per second. So, did you get it?
Yeah, I did. Oh yeah, I got my phone back. I had to break the branch, but I got it.
Welcome to an... No, I didn't. I was busy fixing this.
I was like grabbing the branch.
But welcome to another episode. It's been 2 months since I fished. That's sad. I think 2 months, but work basically, but not really gonna make any more excuses. I haven't fished with that guy in forever. But yeah, I'm using this little one with one of my GoPros. You can probably see it right here on this one. Instead of using my Canon, I kind of don't want to set it up. Probably just gonna be taking pictures with that. And then, but came here to Kenneth Hahn. It's been a year almost since I have fished here. Beautiful Kenneth Hahn. Actually, it's called, what is it, Glenmore Lake?
Yeah.
Kenneth Hahn is a huge park, except the lake's small, which they do trout stockings. But haven't done one of these in a while. But actually, I'll switch back to the chest real quick, the chest cam. Stop this real quick. But yeah, basically gonna be unboxing this bad boy from this perspective. This is December's. I haven't done any of them, even that. That's how busy it's been at work, but I don't even have a knife. Holy crap, what am I gonna open this with? Shoot. Do I have one?
Missed the live action. I caught the whole lake.
You caught the tree, bro.
Caught the whole lake.
He caught a laker.
We'll get to the catching stage now.
No, well, I'm trying to open this, but I have no. Do you have your knife on you, or is it in your bag?
I actually do.
May I?
Here, it's kind of sharp. Be careful.
Like his fishing skills are sharp.
No, those are dull.
Yeah, that is. So, goddamn, bro, it's a nice knife. You can.
It's real nice, huh? Cut yourself?
No,
All
I just like.
right.
I'm just playing with it. But yeah, this is December's. Probably winter baits here. I doubt I can catch any bass on it right now. Unless I get a little swim bait, maybe.
MTB slab?
No, just, I mean, if I get anything that I can use, like finesse-wise. Wow, look it's a swim bait.
That's dope.
Yeah. So yeah, there's actually a swim bait in here. It's a Strike Pro, but basically what you.
Lurie.
Hey, look, it's Tony's thing.
Hey, it looks like Tony's thing.
It's a little, but anyways, Dibble Digest, obviously with tips and tricks, word search tips. Wow, that's actually a small one. Usually it's more than that.
She said.
Then the contests. Happy fishing. The contest basically, and then whatever in here. That looks weird. So basically, that's a tiny swim bait though. Look at this. So the first one in here is a Strike Pro Gill Raker. Tournament grade. It's a sinking, it's this thing. It's 1059. It is 3/8 ounce, so it's 2.5 inches long. Wow, it's not even, it's almost 3 inches. It's a nice little, it's a nice little swim bait.
Motion of the ocean.
Okay, and then the Lucky John Vicari. Is it this thing? Oh yeah, the Lucky John Vicari. It's a lipless bait. That actually looks realistic. Oops. Designed in Japan. Vicari 62 millimeters, 13 grams, 1 to 5 meters, and it's sinking. It's a lipless crankbait. It sinks all the way down if you let it. It's not really going to suspend.
ADM.
Yes, it is a JDM. It's $9.99 for that. Then the next thing is a BD Baits square bill, $6.99. Half an ounce, 1.5 crawfish color.
I got a piece of trash. Oh, I got a leaf. Cut a leaf.
There's that, $6.99. And then Miso Bait Company teasers, which is, what is that?
The miso soup?
Oh, it's this thing? Wow, those things are bright. They're tubes.
That's pretty dope. Look like I could.
They're nice and salty. There are $5.99 for a pack of 12. Nice. Probably put that on a little, maybe a jig head, maybe just normal. We'll see. Then the Dobbins jig. I think we've gotten this before. 1/4 ounce, little finesse jig. Looks like it's PB&J. Made with Gamakatsu hooks. Midnight purple. Yeah, nice little. Then the Catch Co. razor worms. God damn, it's a long drop shot or a Texas rig or whatever. $3.49 for that. And then the Cabins Creek spider parts with jig head, which is this thing.
Look at that bendo. Yeah.
And you got snagged. But yeah, this little jig thing type thing. I might be able to catch something with this. Maybe a little bass. But that's basically everything that was in this. This looks cool. Nice little swim bait tad. But yeah, I'll probably try to catch stuff with these two. Seems like the most realistic ones. But yeah, that's basically the box.